Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be looking at some license plate frame colors. I got some black ones because here in Hawaii we need front tags, and wanted to make the tags look nicer here on my G35. And I got these from Amazon, which look to be pretty nice. I think it was a pretty good deal, 10 bucks for 2 of them. It's a set. So these are supposed to be aluminum, I think. Pretty good packed. Yeah, they're very lightweight, so I'm guessing they're aluminum. So they look pretty nice, actually. And I wanted to get something just clean, without anything written down here. So, oh yeah, that looks a lot better. So it did came with some hardware and stuff, and even covers. So it looks like it does come with everything you need. Even these guys here. If you don't have a hole, you can make a hole and then put this in there. And it came with a set of bolts and screws and a little Phillips driver. That's pretty cool. It's a really nice kit. It'll really give you everything you need. Probably going to use these new screws here because that's what I got here, I think. So I'm going to take this off and see. Actually, guys, believe it or not, but these are actually bolts. So I'm going to have to reuse them even though they're ugly. And these bolts here are too small. The diameter, the ones that it came with, are too small. I'll have to reuse these, unfortunately. Alright guys, so the good news is I'm able to put my old bolts through the little cover set here, the locking little covers. So hopefully that'll work and I can make it look nice and we'll see the rest. So I got the tag in the frame now, so it's time to hang it. Alright guys, so I screwed the license plate on the frame, and it looks already a million times better. So I have these little covers on here, so these caps should just clip right on. And let's see, I can clip up there. There we go. And that's it. Put this one on. Wow, it looks great. Alright, so now I'm going to do the back, and then I'll show you some pictures of it. Alright guys, so the back one's in, and as you can tell, it looks pretty awesome. So I just used the old screws again with these caps. It looks perfect. Definitely like the look. Alright guys, so this is a pretty short video, but these seem to be pretty good quality. And it comes with a bunch of hardware, so you can definitely install it anywhere. And if you want to pick these up, the link is in the description. Alright guys, check out my other videos on this car. Got quite a few videos, and if you want to see more, subscribe. Alright, thanks for watching, and I'll see you at the next one. Peace.